This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Hamp Wilson. Updated rustic ranch-style home on a large corner lot. Outbuilding with dog run, circle drive, low-maintenance yard. Ample parking, one-car carport. Remodeled kitchen and baths. New flooring, fixtures, countertops and fresh paint inside and out. Main level features 3 bedrooms 2 baths, and a separate office. Downstairs has separate entrance, den room, bedroom, bath and storage area. Great VRBO opportunity. Roof, hot water heater and appliances all replaced within the past 4 years. Agent remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Hamp Wilson at 501-209-6486.